How to choose your house extension builder in the Sutherland Shire. When we are contacted and see a new customer, one of the first questions we ask is how did you find us and how a number of different builders will you're speaking to within the selection procedure. Tip 1: where possible, go with a renovation, extension contractor which somebody has recommended for you. That way you'll have a first-hand account of what the whole process was really like and if the company over or under given. If you're spending more than $120,000 on a renovation, it ought to be as pleasurable an experience as you can. Unfortunately, this isn't always the case. Tip 2: request the names, addresses and numbers of projects that are currently under construction or have just recently been finished. It's no use talking to somebody who constructed with the company years back, as anything could have occurred or changed in the meantime. If an organization is unwilling to offer this information, this should definitely be a red flag. Tip 3: proceed with a builder that employs a number of transactions total time and/or works with only a limited number of subcontractors, and ask to talk to one or two of those subcontractors and suppliers to get their take on what the organization is really like. Tip 4: pick a builder in which the directors, owners hands-on. You will always get a much better, smoother and more enjoyable experience managing the men and women who own the business, rather than workers on site or commission-based salespeople in the first case. Tip 5: do not make price the final determining factor in your selection of a preferred builder. If you're dealing with a reputable and long-standing renovation contractor, then there should just be tens of thousands of dollars between a variety of builders' cost, not tens or hundreds of thousands of dollars. If a quotation comes in either way greater or way lower than the average cost across several builders, then again which should be a red flag. The builder you choose will be a huge part of your life for 6 to 12 months or more, depending on how big your renovation. You don't require the builder to become your very best friend. But you have to install and maintain a good working relationship with the business and their team. In a nutshell, there will and must be a fair quantity of gut response in making your final selection of renovation builder. Please do not hesitate to contact the team at Extension Builder Sutherland Shire Experts https://www.builderssydneyexperts.com.au or call 02 8080 4327.